How to tag someone on Facebook story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can tag someone on a Facebook story, so make sure to stick with me till the end. If you would like to tag someone on Facebook story, it's very simple. All you have to do is open the Facebook application, tap on the create story button over here, and now just go ahead and select a story that you would like to add in this case. So let me also just go ahead and select a random story here. Once I select a story, let's say I want to tag a person to this story. If you look on the right hand side, you will find this little tag people option. Because of the story over here, you might not be able to see this, but here is a tag button. You can just tap on it, just select the person you would like to tag, tap the done button. You can see their name pop up here. You can change the style of this name just by tapping on it multiple times, or what you can do is you can just drag it and you can pinch in or pinch out to make it bigger or smaller like this. As you can see, you can add and tag as many people as you like. Tap the post option and then they're also going to get notified about it. That's all it takes to go ahead and then basically tag people on your Facebook story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.